This is Deepak from TechPax Research and Innovation Services. Today I am here to demonstrate you one of the recent research topic. This is basically from the public healthcare. So as we all know that the patient and the doctor's information is very confidential, and nobody want to share their data with any of the unauthorized person or the third party. So in the same domain we have designed one of the encryption algorithm which is using the encryption algorithm. I'm giving you one of the example as ECC, RSA, MD5, might be you have listened about that. So in this a hybrid algorithm is designed. Along with that, for the authentication purpose, the user's thumb impressions or palm impressions can be used. So let's have a look what exactly we have done. When I'm running this code, you can see on the screen, as I'm already told that this is a real-time application, so a real-time scenario is created to demonstrate this project. So you can see as the login and the sign up options are there. So when you click on the login, if you are already registered user, you can give your user ID, password, user type, and whatever the thumb impression you have given. If you are a new user, you can click as a sign up and give the registration form. For example, I am registering as a new user, that is tech pax, PACH, right? Contact number 98147566606. So this is also a working number. You can contact us directly for the further information. So as a user, I am connecting as TECH and password 123456. So when I'm clicking on the user type, I'm registering as a patient. So you can see when someone is going to register itself, it is a patient and the doctor. So when we click on the patient, we need to give the thumb impression, as we are developing it for the software simulation only, so no hardware is used. So that's why we have saved some thumbprints for individual users. So when I click over this button, window will be appear, and there we can select the fingerprint for the user. I am selecting the first one and click on the register. When I click on register, the registration is completed. Now later cancel, going back to the login and the sign up button. Now I am going to log in myself. So as my username was tech and the password was 123456, and I am a for example I am logging as a doctor and giving login, then it will give please enter correct credentials. Even if I am going any passcode, that was the first one, and giving the login, it will again no registration found because all the credentials are not matching. So I was as a patient, so the image was also, the thumb impression is also the similar as I registered. So when I click on the login, it will give me the information center. So from all over the world where the patient is there, he can get the credentials and the information, that what exactly the name, contact number, age, and patient chest name, blood pressure, and other medical information. So the doctor that is assigned is Deepak. Only Deepak name doctor will be able to access the user data. Other users cannot access the data. Secondly, as it is encrypted, so let's have a look what exactly it is. So now I am logging as a doctor, that was Deepak. So for that, the user was Deep and the password was, I think 12345. I'm giving as a doctor passcode, the first one as a passcode, and login. No registration, might be password is wrong, so let me have a look. See, so this is the doctor information center. You can see whatever the patient was allotted at the initial stage, that will be shown over here, that which patient is allotted to me. So there is one patient, that is Deepak, another one is TechPax. So I recently registered at TechPax, so it is shown in the list. So the patient the doctor has only accessibility to the allotted patients only. So I am selecting as a TechPax and submitting it. So it will show me some information. You can see here the information, the sex, as there it was 1 and 2 for male or female. Here it is some numeric values. So this is an encrypted data. So only the decryption will be done. Later the actual data will be shown at the another side of this section. So when I click on the get key for the decryption and clicking to give my thumb impression again, so as I already know that I have registered as a first thumbprint, so when I given this, so you can see as giving the right thumb impression, the actual data of the user is shown over here. So this is a dual security. One is at the login and second as at the decryption. If somebody somehow get the information for the login credentials, he or she does not have the thumb impressions along with that, so they need to get the thumb impressions for the decryption also. So dual security is over there. The data is encrypted by using the encryption algorithms. I as already told that the hybrid approach is implemented for this algorithm. So this application is a real-time application also. The recent algorithm is designed for this. For more information you can contact us directly. Even you can get more ideas like this on our channel. So hope you like this video, and for more details feel free to contact us. Have a nice day.